Hi, welcome back to my channel. Okay, today we will be creating this object. Okay, firstly, click new. Okay, click part and then click OK. Okay, next, click sketch, choose front plane. Okay, click circle. Okay, for the dimension, it will be 40 and then 25 mm. (40 mm) and then next will be 25 mm. Okay, next, click Exit Sketch, click Feature, choose Extrude Boss. Okay, for the depth, it will be 24 mm. Okay, next, click Front Plane and then click Sketch, change isometric view into front view, click line and then choose Centerline. Okay, click Offset Entities and then choose Bidirectional, click Bidirectional and then the offset distance will be, the total will be 20. Oh, sorry, so this one will be 10 mm and then this one will be 10 mm, so the total will be 20 mm. Okay, next, click circle, okay, click trim entities and make sure to choose trim to closest. Okay, click the line that we don't need. Okay, and then click Exit Sketch, choose Picture and then choose Extrude Cut. Okay, the depth will be 8 mm, so the depth will be 8 mm. Okay, so it will be look like this. Next, change isometric view into back view and then click back of the surface and then click sketch. Click circle So click Smart Dimension, and the dimension will be 60 mm. Next, click Line. Okay, sorry, before that, click Line and then choose Centerline. Sorry, choose Centerline. Okay, and then click Line. Click Line again. Okay, 30°. So this side will be 15°, and the right side it will be 15°. So the total will be 30°. Click Smart Dimension. It will be 15°. This one will also 15°. Okay, next. This one will be radius 80. Click circle. Okay, click Smart Dimension. Okay, the radius is 80, and the dimension it will be 160 mm. Okay, click Trim Entities and make sure choose Trim to Closest and trim the line that we don't need. Okay, next. Okay, next, click circle. Okay, and then this circle also, and the dimension will be 15 mm. Okay, next, the distance from the center to center will be 45 mm. Okay, next, click Exit Sketch and then click Feature, choose Extrude Boss. Okay, so the depth will be 25 mm minus to 13 mm, and it will be, so the depth this area it will be 12 mm. So 12 mm, unit it will be mm. Okay, next, change isometric view, change isometric view into back view, and then click back of the surface and click sketch. Okay, next, click circle, and then click offset entities, and then unclick bi-directional, but choose the reverse parameters. Click parameters, click reverse, and and the distance, offset distance, it will be uh, offset distance will be 12 mm. 12 mm, and then OK. Click OK. Next, click line. Okay, next, click trim entities and choose trim to closest, and click the line that we don't need. This one and this one, and then click OK, and then click edit sketch. So click feature and then choose Extrude Boss. Okay, the depth it will be 13 mm, and then click OK. Change view into isometric view. So the object it will be look like this. Thank you for watching.